Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I thought I would try to change up the interior a little bit more, since I did just put in new seats, which looks freaking awesome. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll leave it up in the top right corner of the install. I also did like a first reaction and stuff like that too, but I'll leave that. I'll do the install one up in the top right corner if you guys want to see these things being installed. But today, I was thinking of replacing this shift boot. The sun is starting to go down, so this is probably going to be like a 2-day video, but it'll all be in one video. I'm wanting to replace the shift boot and a couple other little things and stuff too. This is the shift boot. It is from Infocus. I'll leave their links down in the description below. If you guys want to pick up anything like this, is fully custom. If you guys want to check out their website or anything like that, use my code RyanRides to get 10% off of your order. So check them out. I thought being a little bit different and let's go like BAPE. Go like full like bathing ape. And then I've also thought about trying to wrap this in bathing ape also, so like this will all match this. I think it'd be kind of cool, something a little bit different. I gotta go pick up some clear coat and stuff too to paint this black. I think that'd look really good too. With this, I just thought it would, like how all of my interior has like black and red and white theme, that kind of goes with it too. So let's throw this on real quick, and then after this we'll jump on to that. So this should be pretty easy to take out. I think that you just pull up on these sides. Don't just pull up on just the boot itself. Like try to grab the inside of this trim and pull it up, and it should just pop right out. And I probably need to take this ball off. Like that. I think we got to take all of these little black clips. If you guys can see, it's got little black clips right through here, and try to push those in, and then this whole part right here should come out. Alright, I've been trying to get these clips out. I don't know why they have so freaking many of them, those black clips, but you have to like push this on the side and then push down at the same time. Dude, like, no joke, this is really hard. I finally got it out, so this comes out now. Definitely need to paint that black. But, and then what do I do now? Pull all this leather up and over all these little clips. You can see all these little clips right here. Just like that. Grab this new one, take your plate, make sure that the bigger end is toward the front, and you're going to drape this over the entire black piece. And then it's got all these little cuts in the actual fabric. Stretch that around this black piece. This, and clip those in till you got them all on. And it doesn't look like how there's one right there, it doesn't look like you use every single hole either. So just use the ones that you're able to. I'm wondering if this is, maybe if it's for a like an older body style STI or something, or a WRX, for it to actually fit. But you definitely don't use every single hole, that's for sure. So just like that, got it all on. I did have to modify one clip right here. I had to actually cut it a little bit, so not too bad. Now I'm just going to throw this back into here. Clip it all in. And just throw this back onto here. Just like that. Pop this in. Like that. Pull this down. Goes good with the white ball too. Alright, just like that. And holy crap. This ring, man, it's really hard to see. If you can tell, it's dark outside now, so. But that's how she looks. I think that looks so sweet. That is so sick. I just think it's so cool because it's unique. So unique. Okay, let's run inside and wrap this. I've got this spare one. I think it's in here. Yep. So I got this gray one. I thought I had a blue one, but this will work just fine. Instead of using my black one, I'll actually be able to go ahead and use this one. It's actually kind of hard to see. I probably need to get like a piece of white paper right here. Yeah. Yeah, that's better. I'm gonna zoom in a bit more. Like that. And then this is what I'm gonna wrap on top of it to match the shifter boot. Just so it matches. Yep. Gotta get that bathing ape right. I think I'm probably going to I don't know. It kind of sucks. Like it would have been cool to actually have like a little bit of the red or like the eyeball or something like that on that side, but it looks like I'm gonna just only have a little bit of this right here on this part. So. And I've also been thinking about wanting to get like a bathing ape hoodie. Probably just a fake one though, because those things are like $1,000 for a freaking hoodie. It's ridiculous. But just for like an Instagram post, I thought would be pretty cool. Well, it's not even. But I mean, I could probably just cut this eyeball out, like right around the side of it, and then wrap it around each one of these sides. I think that would be kind of cool too. All like super nice and clean cut now. Now I gotta do this part. Another thing with like YouTube and stuff like this, like you kind of have to be kind of unique, I guess, but like super creative. So I guess this shows a little bit of like my creative side, but like I always have like a vision in my head before I ever do anything. Like even my videos and stuff, like I already have like a vision in my head, the way I want how I want the video to turn out. You know, like I kind of like pre-script videos in my head. Or I kind of like push record. I record the video in my head before I actually push record on the camera, which is always nice though. Like it's kind of like something that you should do, because you're kind of like, you already know the shots that you want to get. You already know like how you want everything to look. So it kind of speeds the process up so it's not just so all over the place. I mean, like that. I don't know how you guys can see that, but full custom Accessport wrapped in bathing ape. Hell yeah. I think that's freaking dope. That is so dope. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, let's go throw this thing on and see how it matches. Alrighty guys, and here's what it looks like. Oh dude, that is so sick. It matches. Okay, moment of truth. Let's throw this front plate on. Hell yeah. Check that out. Matching Accessport to the shift boot. Like, who does that? That is so sick. You cannot go and tell me that does not look fucking badass. That is so badass. Who does that? Me. I do that. Haha. And then sit just like that. Dude, that is so sick. That is so cool. Hell yeah. Dope. Alrighty guys, so that is the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I think it turned out freaking awesome. Again, also use my promo code, get you guys yourself 10% off if you guys want to buy anything like this. They have all kinds of different stuff that you guys can choose from. It doesn't have to be BAPE or anything like that. They have like really subtle things. I just wanted to do something a little bit different, something that other people wouldn't really do, and it kind of just fits my style a little bit, and I think it's kind of cool. I really like the way that turned out. I think that turned out really, really cool. Especially putting the eyeballs and stuff like that on there too. And it matching that. I did think, I'm not going to replace this right now. Let me know in the comments also, do you think that I should just leave this silver? Do you guys like the way that looks? Because it kind of, it matches around this edge, and it still matches all of like my vents, because all of those are still this color. If not, I don't think I'm gonna paint it black. If I replace it, I think I'm just gonna replace it with a carbon fiber piece. I think that would look really good too, and then it would match like the carbon and stuff that's on the dash. I mean, even though this is fake right here, but and over here I could tie some of that to that also. So yeah, Let me know what you guys think of it. I think it's super cool. Doing something a little bit different. It just came all together. So, and this car, it's just coming together. It just looks so freaking good. Loving it. Hell yeah. So yeah, like I said, hit that subscribe button. Till next time, guys. Keep it riding. Peace.